So are you ready for 3 tips to help you out with retin-a, peeling, dry skin, flaky, yuck skin? Here we go. Hi everyone, it's Diana and welcome back to my channel Eternal Glow, where I do reviews and tutorials about makeup and all things anti-aging. If you like videos about these topics, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified every week when my videos come out. Today we're going to be talking about retin-a peeling. It happens and it continues to happen, not just in the beginning when you first start using it, but it's kind of an ongoing thing. I started my retin-a journey 18 months ago and I have a video about that if you're interested that I will put in the description box below. I'm now using retin-a through apostrophe.com and I will add their link as well, where you get a board certified dermatologist to check out your pictures and give you a consult through the questionnaire that you fill out, and then they mail you a bottle of retin-a. I love retin-a. It is so good to my face, but it could be so bad too when you have those icky, creepy, dead skin flakes that are all over. Yesterday it was really bad for me because I didn't do my AM routine at all, which hasn't happened in years, but I was going to film a YouTube video and I was waiting for a piece of equipment that never showed up, and so I sat with just SPF on my face all day long. I didn't do my routine. There was no sloughing off of any dead skin cells or any emollient ingredients to help me out, and the flakiness and dead skin was so bad it looked atrocious. So are you ready for 3 tips to help you out with retin-a, peeling, dry skin, flaky, yuck skin? Here we go. Number 1, when you are in the shower and you have all the wonderful steam and water just hydrating your skin, if you wait until the end of your shower to wash your face, it will help get most of that dead skin off. What I do is I wait until the end and then I take some facial cleanser and I wash my face, and then after I take all the soap off of my face, I gently just go in circular motions on like wet skin with my fingers, and I get a lot of dead skin off that way, and my face feels really baby smooth by the end. Number 2, if by any chance, and it does happen where I can't get all of the dead skin off because sometimes it's just too set on there, I use this Easy Basic Sonic Facial Cleansing Brush, and I usually turn it up to the highest intensity, which is the 5th level, and I just use circular motions with facial cleanser on it, and that usually does the trick. Not only that, but it helps with blackheads, it helps with removing all makeup, it helps with unclogging your pores. So I really love this, and it's only $25. I got it on Amazon. This is not a sponsored video, and I will share the link with you in the description box if you're interested. And number 3, this is super important for your day skin. I start off my AM routine with serums, then a moisturizer, and then before I put SPF on, and sometimes after, I will use a facial oil. This has been my saving grace. I have 2 that I use. I use the Mad Hippie Antioxidant Facial Oil, and I use the Ordinary 100% Organic Cold Pressed Rose Hip Seed Oil. So after my moisturizer, I put on either of these facial oils. I put on my SPF, and then sometimes, depending on how my skin feels, or if it's flaking during the day, I will put the oil on right on top of my skin, and it conceals the dead skin so well. I came upon that trick by accident because I was already using facial oils, and I noticed how well it worked. So these top 3 tips are my best tips for you, because I know peeling can be really annoying, but there are ways to combat it and to look like you have wonderful, fresh skin while you're in this little retin-a limbo. So I hope you learned something from today's video. I hope you got some useful info. If you did, please subscribe. I truly enjoy doing these videos for you. If you can think of any other topics you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment or just leave a comment to say hi. Until next time, keep on glowing.